What can you keep in your car to make your life easier, more efficient, comfortable, and convenient? Well, we're bringing you the top 20 items you need in your car to be your pillar of support. Vehicles are the second biggest expenditure for Americans, coming in second only to housing. But while we enthusiastically furnish, clean, and make our homes more comfortable, most car owners rarely think about what to keep inside their vehicles. It's time to sign into your Amazon account because we're about to give you the ultimate vehicle shopping list to get the biggest bang for your buck. You can find all of these items linked in the video description below. You first need to cover your essentials with an emergency kit because you never know when mishaps happen. But who has the time to shop for all the different components? That's where the first secure 90-piece emergency roadside kit is your best friend. This fully stocked kit comes with everything you need in the event of a roadside mishap, including a portable air compressor, a tow rope, a tire repair kit, a multi-tool, and basic first aid supplies. While the emergency kit has you covered on jumper cables, add an extra level of security by packing your power source to get your car moving again. Like the Noco Boost Plus, this bad boy will give you up to 20 jumps on a single charge and doubles as a portable power bank. Plus, an integrated LED flashlight with 7 modes will ensure you can see what you're doing and prevent you from accidents with other motorists. Speaking of visibility, the 6-pack of LED road flares from TopFit can be seen up to a mile away from 360 degrees. They can flash different SOS rescue signals for marine and road emergencies and are waterproof, crush-proof, and magnetic. And because none of us want to worry about charging another thing, we appreciate that these are powered by AAA batteries. All the strobe power in the world can't keep you completely safe from negligent drivers, which is why our next pick is the Rove R2 4K dashcam, with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. This little camera has Ultra HD recording quality, night vision, and a user-friendly software package. Make sure you pick up a Rove microSD card that can hold up to 80 hours of video recordings. A dashcam can serve double duty as a theft deterrent, but we recommend stashing a steering wheel lock like the Club 3000 twin hooks in your car too. This small but mighty anti-theft device has a universal fit and is incredibly simple to install. Protection from theft and preventing emergencies is a must, no matter where you live. But terrible weather is a beast on its own. Prepare for the worst with a 72-hour emergency food supply kit like this one from Augustin Farms. It is a necessity. It weighs less than 5 pounds but has 42 servings that can last up to 25 years. You won't need to replace this little kit anytime soon. Add on some emergency water pouches that can be used for drinking, cleaning, or cooking. You can put a few at a time in your vehicle or stack them all in at once for ventures further from home. Even if you're not getting your dinner from the trunk of your car, that doesn't mean you won't have to deal with some bad weather while dining out. An umbrella is a must, and we love the Unbreakable walking stick umbrella. Not only will you never have to buy another umbrella again, but you'll always have a self-defense tool that can pack the same punch as a steel pipe close at hand. Plus, you'll still have a free hand for the Astro AI ice scraper and extendable snow brush. With a reach of over 62 inches, 157 centimeters, and a 360-degree pivoting brush head, you can clear your car off in record time and easily reach the top of SUVs and trucks. Plus, it breaks down into small pieces for easy storage in the summer, if you're lucky enough to have one of those where you live. Sometimes snow isn't just on your car, it's all around it. Getting stuck in snow, sand, or mud can be a major headache for an unprepared driver. That's why we like the GoTrans Emergency Traction Tool. These are the simplest traction tools on the market and they double as leveling blocks. Even if you never find yourself in an emergency while driving, there are plenty of items you'll want in your car to keep you comfortable and make the ride efficient and convenient for you, like this wireless Apple CarPlay adapter. With this small device, you can turn any wired CarPlay connection into a wireless one. Speaking of wireless, the newest must-have auto amenity is wireless charging. But you don't need to buy a new car to enjoy the convenience of wireless charging. Just add an iAudi AutoSense QI wireless car charger. Just choose your desired mounting location, plug it in, and place your phone close to the charger. It will automatically adjust the arms to keep your phone secure while it charges. A charged phone is no good if you don't have any cell service. That's why you need the WeBoost Drive Reach. It effectively doubles your cell phone's coverage area, meaning you can find signal in even the most remote locations. This one is a must for anyone who regularly heads off the beaten track or likes a bit of extra assurance. And to make your car even smarter, grab the Alexa-enabled iAudi Avo Boost dual-port USB-A, USB-C car charger. This nifty device plugs into your cigarette lighter and allows you to make calls, get directions, shop online, and more with just a few words. It's like having your assistant in the passenger seat.
Alexa, play my music.
Okay.
Of course, you won't care about all the tech bells and whistles if your back hurts, which is why you need the purple Royal seat cushion. We love that the cover is washable, and the grid design will make this throne last for years. Long-haul drivers swear by this hyper-elastic polymer cushion, both for reducing pain and keeping your backside cool. The only thing worse than a sweaty derriere is a dirty car. Thankfully, we've got all the tools you need to clean up your act, starting with this portable auto vacuum. With a rechargeable battery, 3 cleaning attachments, and a 60-watt motor, this little powerhouse can keep your crumbs under control. And you can cut down on the amount of mess that makes it to your seats and floors in the first place by keeping this leak-proof trash can handy. The tissue holder is an added bonus so you don't have to dig for fast food napkins in the glove compartment anymore. Even the cleanest looking cars get a little funky at times. That's why we like this battery-operated ultrasonic scent diffuser. It's rechargeable, totally silent, and has an auto mode that can detect when your car is running. There are lots of refill options so you can find your favorite scent or rotate through the entire collection. If a diffuser can't mask the musk, it's time to get out the big guns. Before you go ham with detailing brushes, we recommend picking up some quality interior cleaners like the Chemical Guys Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer and Protectant. It's safe for virtually any surface, smells awesome, and even helps protect your interior from UV rays. The Chemical Guys have specialized detail products for just about every surface imaginable, so be prepared to favorite their Amazon shop page. Now that you've filled your Amazon cart, you're going to need a place to stash all of your new purchases. So our last recommendation is the Tough Viking Trunk Organizer. We like the version with the cover to keep all of your stuff out of view, and the built-in leak-proof cooler compartment is the perfect place to stash your celebratory beverage when you take all of your new goodies out for a spin. Try out a few of these items and let us know how they've helped you. It's all linked in the description below.